kierunkowe. W sytuacji awaryjnej system oświetlenia podłogi oraz znaki z zielonymi kierunkowskazami pozwolą odnaleźć drogę do wyjścia. Prosimy również zapoznać się z instrukcją bezpieczeństwa, która znajduje się w kieszeni fotela. Informujemy, że na pokładzie samolotu obowiązuje bezwzględny zakaz palenia wyrobów tytoniowych i papierosów elektronicznych, a w toaletach zainstalowane są czujniki reagujące na dym. Korzystanie z urządzeń elektronicznych dozwolone jest podczas całego lotu. Prosimy jednak o upewnienie się, że urządzenia pozostają w trybie samolotowym oraz wyłączony jest tryb bezprzewodowej transmisji DMS. Należy pamiętać, że w czasie startu i lądowania laptopy i inne większe urządzenia elektroniczne muszą być odłączone od pokładowego źródła zasilania i zabezpieczone w bagażu podręcznym, kieszeni fotela lub na półce. Dziękujemy za uwagę. Życzymy Państwu miłego lotu.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Hand luggage must be stored in one of the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items may fall out. Please ensure that your seat belt is tightly fastened. Please make sure that your tray table and seat are in a full upright position. If the pressure in the cabin drops sharply, oxygen masks will automatically fall from overhead. Take the nearest mask and pull it towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth. If you are traveling with children, put your own mask on first and then attend to your child. There is a life jacket under your seat. In case of a water landing, take the life jacket out of its pocket, pull it over your head, and wrap the longer end of the belt around your waist and buckle the end. Adjust the jacket to fit your body by tightening the belt. To inflate the life jacket, pull tightly on the red toggle while standing in the doorway. If the life jacket does not inflate correctly, fill it by blowing into the rubber valve. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit doors marked with green symbols at the front, middle and rear of the aircraft. Please get to know where the emergency exits are located and be aware that the nearest exit might be located behind you. All emergency door exits are equipped with evacuation slides which can be detached and used as life rafts. The emergency floor lighting and green symbols with arrows will guide you to the exits. Please take time to read the safety instructions which you will find in the seat pocket in front of you. We remind you that smoking tobacco products and e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited on board this aircraft, including the toilets. All toilets have been fitted with smoke detectors. You are allowed to use electronic devices during the entire flight, but please make sure that your devices are in flight mode and wireless data transmission has been turned off. Please keep in mind that during takeoff and landing, laptops and large electronic devices must be unplugged from onboard power sources and secured in your hand luggage, seat pocket or the luggage compartment. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant flight.